What's up guys, today we're going to be unboxing a can of liquid wrench that I ordered online off of Amazon. Of course I got this one fast, free shipping with Prime. Here's the box it came in. Just going to cut that right open. Right away you can see we're greeted with the bottle and some bubble packing. Put that aside. Inside the box we have the spray can of liquid wrench. I got this bottle of liquid wrench because I have a stubborn screw at home that doesn't want to loosen, so I hope this will help me take it off. I read a lot of good reviews online about this product helping out with that specific problem. I got the 11-ounce can for only a couple bucks off of Amazon. As always, I'm going to put the link to this item in the description of this video down below so you can check it out and learn more about it and even decide to make a purchase if you wish. And if you do decide to make a purchase, remember I get a small cut at no extra cost to you, so I really appreciate it. It has a straw right here so you can spray it more accurately, and I like how the top, it's like a bolt. It's pretty cool, right? And there's the cap. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!
Family size bag. Please. One.